on this issue, sir. Sir, I'll request you to confine to this issue.
Only this issue.
Please.
I am not going beyond that because I know that you will not allow if I go beyond that. Sir, मेरा एक ही निवेदन है, ये मैटर आपने कहा कि इन्वेस्टिगेशन में है. जब तक इन्वेस्टिगेशन नहीं होता और जब तक आपको ऑथेंटिसिटी से कोई एक व्यक्ति के पास या कोई एक सीट के ऊपर मिला है, उसका ऑथेंटिसिटी नहीं होता, तब तक तो उसका नाम बोलना ही नहीं. ये अरे छोड़ो भाई. Sir, you all lawyers. Can he do like this?
1 second.
And these people.
1 second.
ये अरे छोड़ो ये सब ऐसे चिल्लर काम करके ही देश को बदनाम कर रहे हैं.
Honorable member.
ये जो घटना घटी है, ये घटना बहुत ही असाधारण घटना है. और बहुत ही सीरियस नेचर की घटना है. यह घटना पक्ष और विपक्ष में विभाजित होने के लिए नहीं है. ये सदन की गरिमा पर एक चोट है. मुझे आप पर और आपकी रूलिंग पर पूरा भरोसा है कि इन्वेस्टिगेशन डिटेल में होगा और दूध का दूध पानी का पानी होगा.
Niyamika is also with us on the broadcast. Niyamika, Abhishek Manu Singhvi has said this is comic. Mallikarjun Kharge in the House said till you have authentic information on who actually the money belongs to or who placed it, Abhishek Manu Singhvi's name should not have been taken.
Well, indeed, a strong objection has been raised not just by the Congress party but the other India bloc parties as well. As the claim which they are making is that unless the allegations are being proven, how can the chairman can name any member of parliament regarding such kind of big charge which is being levelled against Mr. Abhishek Manu Singhvi of having this bundle of notes under the table of parliament. As for that reason, we have also listened to the statement which is coming in on the part of Mr. Abhishek Manu Singhvi himself, as he is ready for any kind of investigation. But the question which he is asking right now is that how can anyone come within the parliament and put such kind of things at the table of any member of parliament. As for that reason, he is also questioning the investigative agencies, as he is saying that if the security agencies are not being able to investigate over this entire matter, then that is also a matter of concern. And for that reason, now a high-level committee is already being formed. The Congress party is basically making this allegation that this is being done on the part under a ploy to defame the entire India bloc parties, the entire opposition in particular, as this is something very serious. And for that reason, even we have listened to the statements which are coming in on the part of the BJP leaders, as well as the BJP is saying basically that if the opposition parties are ready to investigate, then why are they raising any kind of objection within the House as well? Because it is the chairman himself who has raised this matter within the House, and he is also saying that there should be an investigation which needs to be done regarding this entire matter. Then why such kind of objection is being raised on the part of the Congress party's MPs? As for that reason, we have listened to Mr. Kiren Rijiju or Mr. JP Nadda, as both of these leaders are saying that there should be no biasness over this entire matter, as this is something which is related to each and every member of parliament, and it needs to be investigated as soon as possible.
Right. So stay on with this. Now, there are a lot of reactions coming in, like you said, of the allies as well. Congress's ally Samajwadi Party has called it a conspiracy, while TMC labelled it as BJP's gossip. Listen in.
See, and you can accept it that a personality like Abhishek Manu Singhvi, who is not just a senior, very senior Rajya Sabha member, but he is also one of the prominent advocates we have, and he knows rules, regulation better than anybody else in this house. So he would do this. So I think there is some conspiracy. This is ongoing practice of the ruling party to malign the image and damage the reputation of opposition leaders. I expect the chair to order a very thorough inquiry, which should be impartial and without any prejudice.
Since this was announced by the chairman of the Rajya Sabha, I think this is an authentic information. but it should be confined to the periphery of the upper house only. And moreover, what I feel is that there is no point in mentioning the seat number in this case. As far as I am concerned, it seems it's a strange matter. I never heard of such an incident.
We have some breaking inputs coming in meanwhile in this incident. This is what top Congress sources are telling your channel. Congress is calling it a ploy to distract. Congress leaders also saying that this feels carrying rupees 50,000 not a crime. Congress netas meet Vice President over charges, and they are also saying that they're ready for any kind of probe. Let's go across to Niyamika. Sources are telling us that Congress is even ready for a JPC probe. They are saying this is nothing but some sort of a ploy to distract from the real issues.
Well, indeed, it is being informed to us by our sources that some of the Congress party's MPs have also held a meeting with the chairman of Rajya Sabha, Mr. Jagdeep Dhankar, in which they have mentioned it very clearly that we don't have any kind of problem with the investigation regarding this entire matter, as they are ready to hold any kind of investigation, to face any kind of investigation.